Hello again, my amazing little learners. Are you ready to have more fun with English today? I know I am. Let's get started and see what wonderful things we can discover together. Look, what's this? It's a house. Our houses are full of interesting things. Let's learn the names of some of them. Look closely. This is a table. Can you say table? Great. And what's this? This is a chair. We sit on a chair. Can you point to a chair in your room right now? Fantastic. Now, what do we sleep in at night? That's right, a bed. Say it with me, bed. And how do we get into a room? We go through the door. Say door. You guys are so smart. Let's say them one more time. Table, chair, bed, door. Wonderful job. Now let's talk about what we do every single day. This is our daily routine. First thing in the morning, our eyes open and we wake up. Can you stretch your arms high and say, I wake up in the morning? Excellent. After we wake up, we get hungry. So it's time to eat. Yummy. We need food to give us energy. And what do we use that energy for? To play. We love to play with our toys, run around, and have fun. And after a long day of learning and playing, our bodies get tired, and it's time to sleep. We go to our beds and sleep so we can have more energy for tomorrow. Let's say them all. Wake up, eat, play, and sleep. You did it. Are you ready for something really fun? Let's learn about opposites. Opposites are things that are completely different from each other. For example, look at this elephant. It's so big. And look at this tiny mouse. It's so small. Big and small are opposites. Now, think about a sunny day. The sun is very hot, but in the winter, the snow is very cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Let's try another one. Look at this cheetah run. It's so fast. Now look at this turtle walking. It's so slow. Fast and slow are opposites. Let's try it. Can you run in place really fast? Fast, fast. Go. Now, stop. And walk very, very slow. You're amazing at this. Let's move on to shapes. Shapes are everywhere. Can you see this one? It's round and has no corners. It's a circle. Can you say circle? Good. Now, what about this one? It has four equal sides and four corners. It's a square. Say square. Perfect. And this one has three sides. It's a triangle. Let's say it together, triangle. And my favorite one, look, it twinkles in the night sky. It's a star. Can you use your finger to draw a star in the air? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Beautiful. You now know a circle, a square, a triangle, and a star. Okay, it's time for a review game to see what you remember. Are you ready to play? Let's go. First question, what color is this? Look carefully. Yes, it's orange. You are a color expert. Next question, what shape is this? It's round. It's a circle. That's right. Now, for a tricky one, what do you do after you wake up and before you play? You eat. That's it. And one last question, what is the opposite of fast? The opposite of fast is slow. Bravo, you got them all right. You are absolutely incredible. You have officially finished level 2 of our English adventure. You learned about things in the house, your daily routine, opposites, and shapes. I am so proud of all your hard work today. Keep practicing and I can't wait to see you again for level 3. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. Bye for now.